Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to reverse an array in a place in Java. So we have to reverse the array, the given array we have to reverse it. So let's see the code for it. So here we are going to reverse array. So I am just giving the array with 5 elements. So this is my array. So I am just going to perform the reverse of this array. So for that I am giving this array as an input. So this loop is to print the reversed array. So now what I'm just going to write is like here I'm going to write public static void reverse array. So here I'm just going to get the length of the array. So array dot length is a method, so which is length is used to get the length of the array. So now I am just looping only the half of the array. So I is equal to 0, I is less than length by 2, I plus plus. So now I am going to swap the element at I and the length minus I1 minus I. Okay, so why I am just using this is like, first to swap this we need to just store the value of the element at the index. So this temporarily we are storing the value of the element. Okay, so for that we have to use int temp is equal to array of I. So this is to store temporarily the value of the element at the index of I. Whatever it is in the index of I, that temporarily we are going to store it. And next line is, so here you have to give array. Next line is array of I is equal to array of length minus 1 minus I. So here the element at the index I is assigned to the value of the element at its opposite positions. So that is the code here. So we are assigning the value of the element at its opposite position of the array. Then that opposite position value we are just changing to the original place. So now if you execute this, you can see the output 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is how the reverse is done. First we are just giving the array, then we are calling the reverse method. In reverse method we are giving array as a parameter. We are getting the length of the array. So when we are getting the length of the array, what it is happening is like it will calculate the length of the input array, and then in second loop it is for I is equal to 0, I is less than length by 2, I plus plus. In this for loop, it will iterate through the array only up to half its length. This is because when you swap the element, you are effectively swapping the pairs. And if you continue the loop to the end, you would end up swapping the element back to their original position. So the inside the loop you are just performing the swapping. So for that you are using the temporary variable to store the element at the index, and then your like element at the index is assigned to the opposite side of the array. Again it is more swapped to the variable. So again like in the symmetric element is like the value which is being assigned in the opposite side is assigned to the temporary variable. So it is completely swapped, so that your value will be swapped. So original array will be 1 2 3 4 5. At first iteration the value will be 5 2 3 4 1. So 1 and 5 will be swapped. So in second iteration the value will be 5 4 3 2 1. So there 2 and 4 are swapped, like similar. So 2 and 4 are swapped, and after loops complete the reversed value will be 5 4 3 2 1. So the loop stops till the length is reaching length by 2, till the half the length it will like stop the loop, so that the value will be reversed and you will be getting the reversed like value of the array. So this is one way of performing the reverse of an array. We have so many ways, so you can use this way also to perform the reverse in the array. Thank you for watching.